Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we will show you how to use the Shark Ion Robot app for your robot vacuum. Let's download the app and get started. Let's open the app and check it out. We'll hit Get Started, hit Yes, Continue, Continue, Continue. So here we may be different. I did not hold any buttons down on my Shark vacuum. I just let the app find my Wi-Fi. And I continued to press the Continue button. Next, I clicked My Dock is Ready. I can see the blue light. Continue. And then I waited. I clicked Join and waited again. And I knew it was connected because of the check mark. Then I clicked OK, and I waited for the other check marks to be there as well. Then I selected my Wi-Fi network, and I entered my Wi-Fi password. And then I waited for the Shark to connect to my Google Wi-Fi. Once all the check marks are there, I knew everything was good to go. Success! Your Shark is connected. I'll press Continue. And now I get to name my Shark. I'm not that creative, so I'm going to name it Shark. Because why not? Press Continue. It'll take you to the main part of the app, where you get to schedule, clean, and check out its history. Let's fool around with the schedule part. Normally, I like to vacuum in the morning around 10 a.m., so I'll press Continue, and notice that all of the days are set for 10 a.m. My schedule has been set. Now let's check out the history. Well, there hasn't been a history because this is the first time I'm using the app, so it's not recorded here. So we'll save that for later. Back at the home screen, if you press the menu icon, you'll notice all the important information such as the account, your actual Shark robot, you can add a robot, history, schedule, shop, settings, support, notifications, and the option to sign out. If we look at the face of the Shark vacuum, you'll notice that the Wi-Fi is connected successfully because the icon is on the machine itself. So now that the app is all set up, we're just going to press Clean on the app and watch the Shark do its job. Once you have your vacuum cleaning, you'll notice 3 different choices. You can go to the mode, go to dock, or find robot. These things are very useful in case you have lost your robot or if you want to change the cleaning mode. Cleaning modes are Eco, Normal, or Max. Now we'll do Find Robot. Okay, so when you press Find Robot, you'll hear this noise. And then once you find the robot, all of these lights will be blinking. And the final thing I want to show you about the app is that you can send the vacuum cleaner straight to the dock from the app. And now your Shark Ion robot is connected to the Wi-Fi and you can schedule a cleaning from anywhere in the world.